For contractors, builders, and precision-focused professionals, measuring distances can be a daunting task. It requires accuracy and speed to complete projects efficiently. The Leica DISTO D2 has been touted as a game-changer in this field, but here's what surprised me about it. For the best price, click the link in the description. As we take a closer look at the Leica DISTO D2, one key promise stands out: unparalleled accuracy and ease of use. This laser distance measurer boasts an impressive plus 116-inch accuracy up to 120 meters, making it perfect for a variety of applications from construction sites to interior design projects. However, I've found that the real value lies in its advanced features. Therefore, let's dive deeper into what makes this device so special. One key feature is its ability to store up to 5,000 measurements in memory, allowing users to review and compare results later on. But there's more. The Leica DISTO D2 also has an incredible battery life of around 33 hours on a single charge, making it perfect for long days on the job site. This is particularly impressive considering its compact size, weighing only 6 ounces. There are some who might argue that this device is overkill for smaller projects. However, I'd like to pose the question: can you really put a price on accuracy? With the Leica DISTO D2, users can ensure that their measurements are precise and reliable every time. Let's take a closer look at its design and functionality. The device features a sleek and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in the hand. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate, even for those who aren't familiar with laser distance measurers. As we explore further, you'll see that the Leica DISTO D2 is equipped with an impressive range of functions, measuring angles, levels, and even surface areas. This level of precision and versatility is hard to find in other devices on the market. Now I know what you're thinking: what about the cost? Is this device worth the investment for your next project? Let's weigh the pros and cons. On one hand, the Leica DISTO D2 offers unparalleled accuracy and ease of use. On the other hand, it may be out of budget for some users. However, I'd like to propose that the benefits far outweigh the costs. Therefore, let's talk about the best price on Amazon. Click the link in the description to get the Leica DISTO D2 at a discounted rate. In conclusion, after putting the Leica DISTO D2 through its paces, I can confidently say that it's an essential tool for any professional looking to take their measurements to the next level. Its advanced features and unparalleled accuracy make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who needs precision and reliability in their work. Whether you're a seasoned contractor or just starting out, the Leica DISTO D2 is sure to impress. With its compact size and long battery life, it's perfect for taking on the go. So why wait? Get your Leica DISTO D2 today and experience the power of precision for yourself.